Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to report income from a sole proprietorship on Turbotax in 2025. This is going to be a quick video. We're not going to waste much time on this topic. I'm just going to give you guys a quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's jump straight into it. Now the first step is going to be to gather necessary documents. So you want to go ahead and collect your sole proprietorship income statements or expense receipts, as well as other relevant documents such as the sole proprietorship income statements, expense receipts, and business bank statements. And once you have all those documents, next thing you're gonna do is to log into Turbotax. So go on Turbotax website and sign into your account using your email address and your password. And once you're signed into your account, you're just going to select the tax year that you want to report your sole proprietorship income for. And then you're going to select sole proprietorship income. So choose that from the income menu and then select sole proprietorship that you want to report. And next you're going to enter your sole proprietorship income information, including of course your income deductions as well as credits. Once that's done, you can go ahead and claim any related deductions such as business expenses or charitable donations. Final step is going to be to review your sole proprietorship income report just to make sure that everything is accurate, and then submit it to the IRS. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to report income from a sole proprietorship on Turbotax in 2025. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next one.